unboxing. This is for October 2018. Now, I wasn't gonna do this because I really wasn't happy with it this month, but I decided on sharing my products with you guys. And every month, I'm usually happy with most of it, but it's $21 a month. Now, you're supposed to get 5 full-size products. That is what it says on the website. This box doesn't have all full-size products in it. The value of mine for this month is $108. There were many variations this month, and I think that sometimes there are just too many variations. I ended up getting variation number 6. This is what it looks like. It always comes just like this. When you open it up, you'll have your pamphlet on the top. For October, the theme is alter ego. It kind of matches with like the Halloween theme because alter ego, you know, costumes and all that kind of stuff. And then Boxycharm, what I do love is that they give you the list of products with all the prices. First product, I'm gonna go with the It Cosmetics item. This is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Now mine came like almost open. It basically just ripped right off, but it says wrap your lashes in lengthen and volume boosting and ultra condition and formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. This is $24, so your box is already paid for. I'm hearing a lot of different opinions about this mascara. There are some people that absolutely love it. They say that it works great, just like what it says it does, but there are people that say that this actually is very clumpy and it doesn't do anything like it says. So I'm gonna try it out for myself. I think the packaging is really cute. It's a really big mascara wand from, I don't know, in my opinion, it's just like, it's really large, but I like it. I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it works. So the next product is from South Main Beauty, and these are under eye gels. It comes with 3 packs. I wasn't really excited about this because I just received under eye gels in August's Boxycharm, so I just felt like this was kind of a filler that they needed to add a 5th product in, and this was left over from previous months. This is valued at $10. It comes with 3 uses. The next thing had many variations in shades. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. The value of this is $20. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturize and comfort they deserve. Now, the shade that I received was in Crucifix. I really would have liked either Bow and Arrow or Lolita, but I ended up getting this really dark brown shade. I don't know if I am going to wear this at all because it's so dark, but I like the packaging a lot. I think that Kat Von D's packaging is really, really pretty. It's just a regular doe foot applicator. It's extremely dark. I think I'm gonna just try it on now and let's see what it looks like. So I will be back in a minute. Okay, so oh my god, this is so dark on me. It's ridiculous. Yeah, this is probably something I'll wear for Halloween, and that's about it. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? It is like, it's really dark. It really isn't my style, and as you can see, I'm not even wearing like eye makeup or anything. If this was in a different shade, I would wear this all the time because it is so nice. The formula is really, really nice. It doesn't feel drying. It feels really lightweight. So we're gonna get through this video with this color on just because I'm not gonna get up and take it off. But okay, so the next product is, it's not a full size. This seems like it's a travel size. This is from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisture Leave-In Mask. It's basically like a leave-in spray conditioner. It's a $16 value. Says this super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil, an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extracts, and biotin, helps promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. So I've used a few Briogeo products. I don't know if I've actually used this before, but I think I got like a much smaller bottle of this in either an Ipsy or a Birchbox or something like that. It's just like, it's a leave-in conditioner. I wasn't really super excited about it. I know that there were many variations. And then I saved the best for last. This is the palette of the month, and it is from Pure. It is the Midnight Masquerade face palette. The value of this is $38. It says it's a 10-piece face palette, 4 shimmery face powders, and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. So the packaging is really pretty. It has like the gold on the front. When you open it up, you do get a small mirror here. And on this side, you have the highlighters. This one is in the shade Twilight. You have this one, which is in the shade Enchantment. I thought this was a bronzer at first, but it's actually like a golden highlighter. You have this blush in Hidden Secret. And then you have, this is a blush too, and this is in the shade Reveal. This is the one that I would probably not use as a blush. I just don't use these shades for blushes. And then you have all the shadows here, which I think are really pretty. This one is that coppery brown shimmery one called Enchantment. This is the highlighter that is called Twilight. I really do like this. This is like a typical highlighter that I use already. I think that's really pretty. The pigments are really nice. The blushes are like eyeshadow colors to me. This is the corally blush. It's called Hidden Secret. This is like that purpley blush, and this one's called Revel. This is the shade Exposed. That is the shade Mask Off. Really pretty green shimmery color. So this one here is a matte brown shade, and it's called Sneak Peek. This one is really pretty. This one is called Disguise. And then the last 2 shades are right here. These are so pretty. This is like a bluish teal. This is called Showtime. And then this one has to be my favorite. It's like a shimmery gray. This one is in the shade 12 AM. This palette made up for the other things that I wasn't super excited about. The value of this was $108, and I think that they always really try hard to make everybody happy. I did see some of November's spoilers, and I think November is going to be really, really good. I know that Kim Kardashian is involved, I believe. So that is one little spoiler. And then we have our Boxy Luxe coming in December. And I know that the value of that Boxy Luxe is going to be over $300. I think it's around $340. That is going to be amazing. I'm going to have the Boxycharm link down below. I don't know if there is a wait list or what's going on with that, but if there is, then I would get on that now if you're interested in getting the Boxy Luxe or Boxycharm. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you received the Boxycharm this month and what your variation was. I always love to hear what everybody else gets and what you think about the products. But until my next video, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.